Hey guys, just a quick video. We got an old P3 computer here, Pentium 3. Man, is this ancient or what? Just a quick video about some of the interfaces that used to be on these older computers. For instance, right here, the IDE interface, IDE 1, IDE 2. Gosh, I can't remember what IDE stands for. Integrated Drive something something. Anyway, it's an interface for hard drives in the olden days before the SATA, however you want to say it, interfaces. This board does not even have any of those connections on it. But yeah, it used these ribbon cables, and I think I have a hard drive just kind of taken apart here, and it goes right into the hard drive. And you had to line up pin 1 with pin 1. If you didn't, it wouldn't work. And now they usually were tabbed, so you could, it was kind of hard to screw up, but you know, people still found a way to do it. Here's a closer look at the interface, guys. All those pins, they were so easy to bend, so easy to mess up. It also had to have a master and a slave setting. If you had 2 drives in, it had to be set as slave and one explicitly set as master. And this is just a 4-pin power connector, but this is an ancient IDE hard drive. And there's what the interface on the ribbon cable looks like. All those tiny holes for all those pins. But that is one of the, well, like my first PC, I believe, had an IDE interface. It's been around for a long, long time now. They they have since moved away from those. They are really outdated. The other paths are just so much better now for transferring data. But yeah, you can see how old this is. Look at that processor. It's kind of tiny, the fan, compared to what they are today. Even on Pentiums, these were considered big heat sinks and such back then. Yeah, little do we know what we'd have in store for the future. Yeah, so a couple other things, like I had to install a SATA, whatever you want to call it, card in here to get those connections going. This was an old NAS I had way back when. I think I'm just going to probably end up getting rid of this thing. It's not much useful life. I guess I could put maybe Windows 98 on it or something, right? I don't know. Hey, does anybody want this? Hit me up. And we've got just extra fans. These white bars down here, these are PCI interfaces for PCI cards. That goes way back also. Those, now they have like PCI Express 16, all this other stuff. That is an AGP interface, I believe, for a video card. And that always had to be closest to the processor. You know, it's like that child that always wants to be favorite. Anyway, just a look at the old hardware. Just a quick one today, tech history, guys. I'm ready to move this thing out of the way. I don't have any floppy connectors to show on here, but I may do a separate floppy drive video, see if I got something down in the basement I can rip out and as I'm cleaning up and get rid of stuff. But anyway, guys, just a quick one. IDE interfaces, something you don't see anymore. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your first hard drive interface was. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. We'll see you soon, guys. Thank you.